So the weeks pass really quickly, and that's probably because I am enjoying myself a lot. I am still preparing for the big exhibition in church. But first, I'm proudly presenting my latest work. It's called Pecker, and I'm going to show you the making of. This piece of art goes on in the frame because a pecker doesn't stay within the lines of a frame. It breaks them bit by bit as a symbol of freedom and adventure. So it is a limited edition, but it's still unique every time because he consistently discovers a different escape route from its frame. I also traveled to Croatia, to the city of Split, for my travel photography. It's something I usually don't share, but it was really beautiful, and I thought, why not? You just have to see this. I'm really excited about that, and I will share that next time.